Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas. We just got another one ready. This one is a hard to find beauty. It's an '07 Ram 2500 MegaCab with the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel in it. As you can see, we just put new headlights in there. It's got a nice bug guard on the front, alloy wheels. Look at the size of that cab. Lots and lots of room inside there. Good tread on the tires. A little bit of aggressiveness on there. Got your tow package, SLT model, brand new spray-in bed liner. Just put actually just had the transmission rebuilt, so the transmission in it actually has a small warranty on it. You've got the tow mirrors here that flip up, part of the tow package. Inside we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power pedals. Seats have a few stains on them, but no rips or tears to speak of. Look at this, it's got a sunroof and a DVD player. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see, there are no engine warning lights. This thing runs really strong. Let's see if we can get the body has got just over 230,000 on it. Again, the transmission was just rebuilt. As you can see, there's no engine warning lights. It's got your standard radio. Air's blowing nice, which on a hot day like today is really good. This is your rear sliding window. And if I'm not mistaken, I realize the label's gone, I think this might be your Jake brake. As you can see, you got a couple of charging ports there. Some nice cup holders. Center seat will fold up to allow you to have 6 passengers. You can also store some stuff in there. It's got infinity audio system. So aside from the cloth seats, it's really got a lot of premium features. And of course, this mega cab here, lots and lots of room in the back. Plenty of leg room. As you can hear, it sounds just like it's supposed to. No knocks or anything. Check it out. Not only do you have all that room up here, you've also got additional storage room in the back, both under there and just behind the seats in general. Power rear sliding window. Lots and lots of room here. You got your little flip down DVD player. Sunroof, if I forgot to mention it. Lots of premium features. Dash is not cracked. A lot of them in this year model are. It's got the nice fixed running boards. Tires have great tread on them. Brand new headlights. Motor's reasonably clean for the year. As you can hear, no additional sounds that shouldn't be there. All around, just a great solid truck and a hard to find model. If you'd like to get approved on it, you can go to mallardmotors.com, fill out a credit application, or if you're looking to pay cash or use your own financing, we'd be happy to work with you or your bank on getting you into this truck. Either way, remember, trust it up.